Good morning friends, this is Kiran Krishnamurthy from Vasavi Automobiles, Hosur. In this video, I am going to explain about a new product launch from Goodyear, that is Assurance Max Guard, which is a 5-star rated tire. Come, let's go into the video. You can see here, this is 215/60R16, which is a 5-star rated tire, and this is 185/65R15, which is a 4-star rated tire. There are some 5 unique things which Goodyear has done in this tire, which is not there in the competitors. What it is? One is the active grip technology. Because of the unique thread design and the silica compound percentage is very high, the wet grip is very high in the tire. And also they have used a technology called DuraGuard technology. So what is the benefits of this DuraGuard technology? They have used double carcass ply inside the pattern. So this Goodyear AMG tire comes with 92H load index. So when compared with the competitors, all the tires are 88. What is 88? It is 560 kgs load carrying capacity for one single tire. So this 92H is 630 kgs. So for all 4 tires put together, it is 70 into 4, 280 kgs load carrying capacity more. So automatically the durability, longevity, all these things will add up to this tire. And also the thread depth is 10% more. So the tire length is also more. So that is why we call it as 2-in-1 protection with wet grip and durability. Thank you.
To know more, visit our shop or contact the number